Today is Friday, March 2nd. This is the 1970 Cadillac DeVille Convertible steering wheel that has been totally restored for Bill Tyler in Rhode Island. The unit has had the wood grain replaced all the way around the front face perimeter of this beautiful restored steering wheel. The horn pad has been revitalized, as has the emblem. The 1970 steering wheel has a 3/8 thick horn pad, very, very delicate in its reconstruction and reassembly. So it has three primary points. When I press down, the light bulb comes on, simulating the horn. 2, 3, as well as the center. Okay, as well as the three corners of the triad. So this is the 1970 Cadillac steering wheel. This came to me from Bill Tyler. He also sent me his steering column, which I rebuilt. And the unit is absolutely show quality. And this will be going out tomorrow as soon as I send this okay to ship confirmation video to Bill. And this is the 1970 Cadillac DeVille Convertible steering wheel for Bill Tyler in Rhode Island. Restored with the Cadillac specific wood grain inlay all the way around the front face perimeter. This wheel came to me with chunks and gaps and scratches and chips and pieces missing, and of course entirely decomposed wood grain and just a channel remaining with all kinds of debris. So the unit was put into a mold under a highly viscous resin under time and temperature and totally reconstructed. And we have this beautiful resulting 1970 period correct Cadillac DeVille Convertible steering wheel for Bill Tyler in Rhode Island. This is Cadillac George in Florida. I have over 75,000 1967 to 1970 Cadillac items, and I rebuild and restore the steering wheels and the steering columns for all year Cadillacs. Thank you very kindly.